Hey guys, Rhett Weaver here with Lifetime Home Loans. I want to talk to you about this week. We got the perfect news on Friday. So if you guys are a home buyer looking in the market right now, you've been waiting on the sideline, you've been looking to list your property, the movement is headed in the right direction finally. If you didn't see it, Jerome Powell spoke on Friday and indicated that there will be a rate cut come September. Now, the one thing that we need to just pay attention to that could totally derail this, but it kind of seems like it won't at all because of the jobs revisions that have happened in May and also in April and May, and then obviously we're going to see if there's any revisions in June, which it sounds like in June it's going to be a negative number as well. So they're anticipating a weak jobs number again, which should indicate that they're going to go ahead and cut rates 25 basis points, and then a lot of the experts believe that there will be 2 more cuts throughout this year. We will see an inflation report this week. Jerome Powell indicated from Friday, though, that even though the inflation could go up maybe 0.1%, he's not too worried about it because this has to do with the tariffs. It's a one-time pricing increase, and they're not really worried about inflation going up or rising. So that's great, and that's a good indication because his tone this whole year has been about inflation and trying to control it and get it back to that 2% benchmark. And so there's a lot of positive news headed in the market. You're going to see the media start to talk about it, which means now you're going to see a lot more home buyers come out of the woodworks. Just so you guys kind of understand, on average, between all 50 states here in the United States, for every 1% in interest rate drops, there's 50,000 new people that are eligible to purchase a property. So for those that have been waiting, have been seeing that there's a lot of homes on the market, there's a lot of good deals right now. The longer you wait, the faster rates start to drop. There's going to be just a lot more competition coming out of the woodworks, and what you thought you could get as far as that great deal on a property might turn into something where you could be, being one of a couple bids going on that thing. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to watch or feel free to reach out. But pay attention. Let's watch that jobs report here September 5th, and then we'll see what happens with rates. Have a good week.